the sale has been increasing from the year 2010 and the last year, 2016. It was to boost in the sale. You can see here.
Heyrðu, ég var að velta fyrir mig með hann útlending þarna, Johnson, vitið þið eitthvað hann?
Mr. Haraldsson, Mr. Johnson.
This is not his boss, his twin brother.
Ah,